So essentially, you have your model that's built in what? TensorFlow or something? Is that
Or PyTorch or whatever, doesn't matter.
okay? So you've got your model and you chose a specific model platform, and that model, let's just take TensorFlow, that'll run on the NVIDIA hardware sitting on top of CUDA. Is that the
Yeah.
next? That's the relationship. The model
Yep.
has a relationship with CUDA, and then CUDA has a relationship with
The
like
hardware.
but through multiple layers as well on
Yep.
that, right?
Yep.
So we've already talked about like DeepSeek. One of the things they did was they kind of skipped one of the layers. They skipped CUDA and went right to like
PTX.
SPX. Yeah.
Yep.
And so the Mojo guys are essentially at the CUDA layer, the thing
No,
that.
no, they're below that. They're actually interfacing the hardware directly.
So when you take your TensorFlow model and you're going to run it on CUDA, but you decide to do this Mojo thing, what's the lift there to make that happen?
So in theory, you can just take your Python code and run it on their framework, and it'll just run.
And the Python code is the code that runs the model, the TensorFlow or whatever.
Right. So basically, when you run PyTorch, PyTorch is just the Python layer. Underneath, it then calls a bunch of other stuff, which then calls CUDA, and then CUDA does all its things, and then it actually runs the hardware. So the way that they've written it is, you just load up your model, and it just runs it. That's it.